So I noticed that Hunter, you know, it's a little bit hard to get him out of the back of the car because he wants to go out. You're trying to put the leash on, all that kind of stuff. So the more he stays, the more the door will open. The more he moves and acts crazy, the more the door will close. Same thing we do for the crate door, the front door, all of that. So doorway manners, impulse control. He tries to rush out, I close the door. He waits, I open the door. And say I'm gonna like mess around with the collar. I can sort of pretend to do that for training purposes. Good boy. Good job. I'm gonna tether him if I can make it reach. And sit. Good. Up on the leash for sit, down on the leash for down. Alright, I'll try it again. Free. Free means you're done, command is over, do whatever you want. To get him in the crate, or sorry, in the car, face your shoulders where you want to go. Up, up. Up, up. If I need to lead him through, I will. Put that through. Up, up. Good. Up, up. Good boy. Up, up. You got it. Good boy. You got it. He doesn't care about my stupid treats. At this point, I think it's kind of hard for him to jump up from that close. So what I'll do is I kind of use the L of my arm like that. And I can use my legs to lift him up like that. Let's try it again. Free. Like we just did this. You're free. Good job. Good boy. Up, up, up. Good. Good job. Yay, good boy. Good job. Good boy. So for him, like in a situation where he won't take food, all you have is the leash pressure. So just leading him into the correct behavior is going to eventually reduce anxiety because he understands what the correct action is. Free.